You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I love this word. It's a bit confusing, but I love it. It comes from the French word chic. If you want to learn more French pronunciations that are a bit confusing and more chic words, stay tuned, I got more videos. So, because it comes from chic, which is not cheek, it's pronounced chicly, alright? So that's chic. It's more like sh, chicly. So not chicly in English, chicly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.